Hello, hello, hello. It is Nicole again. Nicole is making it happen. And I have another sensational deal for you guys today. We're going to save on some Nivea lotion. We're going to save on some Vaseline intensive care lotion, as well as some Maybelline makeup. So are you guys ready? Get your pencil, your paper, your inserts, and let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, are you ready? Before we get started, as always, I need you to give me some thumbs up, like the video. I need you to share it with your friends and family. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell next to it. That way you'll get the notifications every time I put up a new video, and you won't miss out on any savings, any secret sauces, any glitches, and all the different ways we have to save money. So guys, let's get started. The deal is at CVS. So the very first thing we're going to do is a Maybelline deal that was advertised in their circular. So this is the deal here. Let me get it. Maybelline, right here. So it is buy any 2 Maybelline products and get $7 extra bucks back. And those can be any 2 products. They can be eyeliners, they can be pencil sharpeners, but I chose to do the blush. You can use it as blush, you can use it as eyeshadow. It's totally up to you. But these are the ones that I got. They're the small ones. Now, at my store, they were $4.49. I've seen them at other stores for $5.59, for $5.29. I've even seen them as high as $6 and some. So your store is going to depend on your area. So mine were $4.49, I believe it was, for 2 of them. So that comes to roughly about $9 for 2 of these. But what's nice is that when you buy those 2, you get the $7 back in extra bucks. So that's a good deal, right? Just with that, because if you spent the $9 and you got the $7 extra bucks, it's like only paying $2 for it, right? But you know, we're always going to make our deals even sweeter. So we're going to add a coupon to that. So if you have this insert, and I believe the insert came out last week, not Sunday that just passed, but the Sunday prior to that. It's the Retail Me Not insert. Okay, they have a couple different Maybelline coupons, but the one that you want is on the second page. And it's the $4 off one. That one right there. Okay, let me show you the front of the insert again. And this is the coupon. So it says $4 off 2 Maybelline New York face products. And this is what the coupon looks like again. So you guys can see it. The coupon does not expire until March 6th. But this deal is for this week and this week only. Now, CVS is going to be having a lot of makeup deals. So if I were you, I would save all the makeup coupons that I can get. Even if you see some on coupons.com, go ahead and print them out, because they're actually doing a makeup reset. They're going to be doing a makeup reset. So they're trying to get rid of a lot of makeup so that they can go ahead and do the reset. So you may even see some makeup that goes on clearance or an extra 50% off or 25% off or something like that. But these are the 2 that I got. So again, they were $4.49 a piece, which comes out to $9. And then when you take the $4 coupon off, then that brings us to $5 out of pocket. And then we get the $7 extra bucks back. So it'll be like it is a $2 moneymaker, because you get that $7 extra bucks. So that is the first deal that I did. The second deal that I did is on Nivea Lotion. Now, they've had this Nivea deal for a couple weeks now. They've been running it back and forth. And as you guys know, sales go in 6-week cycles, or they'll do the same sale back to back. Sometimes it'll have extra bucks that you get with it, and sometimes it doesn't have extra bucks. Well, this week there were extra bucks with the Nivea lotion. So this is the deal right here. When you buy 2 Nivea lotion products, Nivea lotion or cream products, you get $5 extra bucks. And it says excludes the breathable 13.5 ounce. Now, at first, I wasn't going to do this deal because I thought you had to buy the bigger bottles of lotion. And the bigger bottles of lotion are like $9 and $11. So I didn't want to get them. So I wasn't going to do the deal. And that's why that wasn't included in my initial video that I did when I did all of my transactions earlier this week. But then I thought about it, and I went in the store and I checked. In the smaller bottles, which are the 8.4 ounce, they're only $5.99. They are included in the deal. So I said, okay, great. Now that deal seems to be worth it for me. So it would be paying $11. And again, everybody's store is different, so they may be priced a little different at your store. But at my store, they were $5.99 a piece. So I figure $12 for 2 bottles of Nivea lotion and get back $5 extra bucks. So that would be like paying $7 for them, right? But as you guys know, we're going to make the deal even sweeter, and we are going to add a coupon in that. So this is what the coupon looks like. It's $2 off 1 Nivea body lotion or cream product, and it expires on February 27th. Let me put it here so you can see it better. Okay, and that actually came out in the Smart Source. This Smart Source came out about 3 weeks ago, but this is what the front of it looks like, and it's a really thick Smart Source. There's a lot of coupons in here. Let me show you where it's located. So it was located across from the Eucerin coupons. So there's, as you can see, there's other Nivea coupons here. But the one that works is the $2 off the body lotion. Okay. So you would pay, ring it up at $12, give them your 2 of these. So that would be minus $4. So that would be $8 for 2 of the Nivea lotions. And you would get $5 extra bucks. So that would be paying like, it would be like paying $3 for 2 bottles of Nivea lotion. That's excellent, right? Because 1 bottle is $5.99. Now what I did is I paid for my Maybelline makeup and I rolled the $7 over. Okay. Now, don't forget that when you purchase makeup, that goes towards your beauty bucks. And when you spend $30 in beauty bucks, you get $3 in extra cash back. Now, my last deal that I did is also an advertised deal, but it doesn't give you any extra bucks back. And I was kind of hesitant on doing this deal too, because I normally like to do deals that give you extra bucks. But when I looked at the price and I seen that I would get a low out of pocket for the lotion, I said, you know what, let me go ahead and do this deal because I think it's worth it, even though I'm not getting extra bucks back. So what the deal is you buy one, you get 150% off of select Vaseline products. So let me show you where that is. And the ad is right next to the Nivea. Okay. And mind you, the Nivea deal that you do is limit 1. And the Maybelline deal is limit 1 also. So these are the lotions. Normally it's the bigger lotions that are on sale. Buy one, get one. But it was the smaller ones. So that are included. So these are the 10 fluid ounce, which I thought were excellent because they were $4.79 for one. And then when you buy a second one, you get that one 50% off. So it would be like $7 and some change for two of these. But again, you know we always have a coupon, and that was one of the main reasons why I decided to do this deal. So if you got the February Super Saver, there is a $2 off Vaseline coupon that you can use on this product. So it says save $2 on one Vaseline lotion 6.8 ounce or larger. Show you where it says that. See that? And these are 10 fluid ounces. So that fits. So for 2 bottles of lotion, it was regularly like maybe like $7.30. I lost my receipt. You would use 2 of these coupons, so that would be $4 off. So you would pay roughly about $3.79 for 2 bottles of Vaseline lotion. So even though I'm not getting any extra bucks back, again, I thought that would be a good deal because these just one of these are regularly $4.79. So it's like you're getting one free. So guys, those were the 3 deals that I did at CVS that I wanted to share with you. And again, the Nivea deal is limit 1. The Maybelline deal is limit 1, but you can do as many as you want of the Vaseline lotion because you don't get any extra bucks back with that. Now, CVS does have a limit of 4 coupons per transaction. So I did 4 in one transaction. So if you have like 8 coupons, just simply do 2 transactions. Or if you have more than 4 coupons, just do 2 different or 3 different transactions, however many coupons you have. But those are the rest of my deals that I did for CVS for the week. I hope you guys are able to go out and do them. I hope you're able to save, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please, if you go out and do the deal, come back and comment on the video. Let me know how you made out. Let me know how easy it was for you, because these are quick and easy deals to do. They can be for a beginner couponer or even a seasoned couponer. Everyone can do them. So guys, again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my video, and keep on saving.